we're here at Westgate in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We're less than 1 mile away from downtown Ocean Springs. This is a pet-friendly community with great amenities such as a swimming pool and a laundry facility. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Right when you walk in, there's the spacious living room with gorgeous plank flooring, a large coat closet, the dining room, and the fully equipped kitchen. Off of the living space, you'll find a linen closet, a full bathroom perfectly placed between the 2 spacious bedrooms. Each bedroom has a ceiling fan and a large closet. This community features a swimming pool, a grilling area, and a laundry facility. Click the link below to book your tour today.